Hello everyone. In this video I share with you how I make simple, easy, no stress breakfast for the family and for work. So keep watching and let's dive into it. So first I need 4 slices bread. Next I will go ahead and spray my butter on it. Use any butter of your choice. Keep watching because after spreading the butter, there are still more to do. So, I am making simple Nigerian breakfast. How to make a very simple breakfast, especially if you're going to work or the kids are going to school. Very simple and easy to prepare breakfast. So keep watching and don't go away. So after spreading this bread, I'm going to be cutting this bread 2 ways. So the first way is just to go ahead and cut it into a very nice shape. This is it. It's also presentable. So the next bread, I'm going to spray butter on it. Keep watching and see the shape I gave it. Now this very shape I'm cutting is for those family that have kids that don't like to eat the brown part of bread. So you just go ahead and chop them off and then give it a very nice cut that would attract your kids. I don't know about you, but there are lots of kids here that I know that don't like the brown parts of bread. So this is what I normally do after spraying the butter on it. Just cut it, give it a very nice shape that will attract those kids to eat it. And this can also go to their lunch box to eat as breakfast and lunch. So after I prepare the bread, I'll set it aside. So you see, very simple. So let's dive into making the tea that goes with it. Okay. Alright, so I just go ahead and add one of my tea bag and then go ahead with boiled water and add half teaspoon of sugar. Add sugar or use any other sweetening according to your taste, and then I'll go ahead and make sure it drops everything into the water. I know exactly what I do right now. I just did. And next I go ahead with my milk. You can use liquid milk, you can use the powdered milk, the choice is yours. And then after that I'll take a spoon and turn this, and our tea is ready. It's as simple as what you just saw on the screen, and your kids will like it. This bread is super soft and easy to bite. So the kids loves eating this early in the morning when they are going to school. You don't know what to do, you have bread and butter. Why not make this simple recipe? And even as adults at workplace, sometimes you're in a hurry, just get this done. Super easy. You can decide to take any tea of your choice. It can be green tea, any tea of your choice. So I just say let me share this with you. Wow, this is what I'm having at workplace, everyone. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and like. Stay safe and bye for now.